What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Mississippi pot roast. Just a few ingredients, but it's supposed to be a sweet roast. So we're going to see what it's all about. We're going to roll on, Mississippi, roll on. Yeah. That's right, baby, the Mississippi pot roast. Now, I've never tried this recipe before. This is a recipe given to me by my good buddy Mike. So Mike, if you're watching, thank you, baby. I love you. We're going to see how good this roast turns out tonight. Now, he said to start out with a venison roast. Me, I couldn't find the old deer. So I had to use this chuck roast here. The Charles Barkley, sir. But that's going to be fine, baby. It's going to be good. And, you know, pretty good sized one because I'm a pretty good sized man. So, moving on. He said to do a couple tablespoons of the ranch seasoning, and today I've got the Hidden Valley Ranch. Now, Hidden Valley, is that the one that does the Jolly Green Giant? I don't know. So, we're going to take just a little bit of this and sprinkle that down in there after we shake it up, baby. So, let's shake it up and sprinkle away. Sprinkle. Next, we're going to go ahead and add some au jus. And now my girlfriend has been telling me that I've been saying that wrong all week. The au jus. She says it's not said that way. It's not said that way. So I've just been calling it the old juice. And now we're going to shake that up and we're going to put it in there too. Some of that old juice. Good stuff. Now, he said to add a full stick of the butter. Me, I don't have no stick of butter and I got time for that shit. So I'm using the tub of butter today. But I will be very generous with my scoop. And plop some of that good cold butter right down in there, sir. Look at it. Ooh! Now, last but not least, he said to add a half a jar of pepperoncinis. And I said, you know, that's crazy. I've never heard of banana pepper up in there, but we're going to put some banana in there and it's going to be like Fantasy Island with that too. So, let's go ahead and crack that baby open. And he said about half a can. Woo! That's a smell, boy. Yeah. So, we've got all our stuff in there. Let's put the lid on. We're going to turn it on. And then we will let it go for about 6 hours. Now, you can do it on low for 8 hours, but you know me. So, we're going to let it go for 6 hours. I'll see you in 6 hours, and we'll see how our roast is roasting, baby. Yeah. Good stuff, baby. And speaking of good stuff, the smell coming off this thing, man. Let's open it up and get a good waft for ourselves. Woo! The smell, man. And the flavor, the texture. Come here and take a look at this. Let's spin it around a little bit. Look at the color on there, sir. It's got a good color to it, and those peppers have blended in beautifully. And that meat is just so good and tender, baby. I love it. This is a beautiful recipe. Just makes you want to sing, Mississippi Queen, if you know what I mean. Because it's good. So, let's go ahead and take another look, take another smell at this thing, and then we'll be ready for a big old bite tonight. And I'm damn sure ready because I'm hungry as hell. Alright, baby, the time has come. The Mississippi pot roast is done. And I'm having that first bite for me. So, I want to make sure I get a little meat and a little pepper in here too. Those peppers have cooked down and they look beautiful, baby. Oh. Man. The flavor on that thing. That ranch and that au jus, beautiful, baby. Mixed together with that pepperoncini. It's undescribable. And you can really get that butter in there too. That silky, smooth, beautiful thing. So, try it out, baby. You won't regret it. And I want to thank Mike again for sending me this beautiful recipe. And I want to thank all of you for watching another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, y'all have a good one. Enjoy that roast, baby. And I'll see you next time. I don't know what to do first, so I'm going to do them both.